Greetings, Fort Worth ISD community. As we gather with friends and family this Thanksgiving season, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for your support and commitment to our district. Your engagement and partnership are invaluable as we navigate this time of transition and embark on a journey to elevate our schools and provide the best possible education for our students. I'm honored to serve as the interim superintendent and to lead our district in addressing the critical challenges we face. Together, we are implementing a comprehensive 5-point action plan designed to improve student achievement and foster a nurturing environment for all. This plan is not just a strategy, it's a commitment to our students, teachers, and families that we will work to close achievement gaps, enhance support systems, and build stronger community partnerships. As we reflect on the things we are thankful for this holiday season, let us also recommit ourselves to working together to build a bright future for our children. Your involvement makes a difference. I'm thankful for the rich history of Fort Worth ISD and look forward to the new chapter we are writing. Your continued involvement will help us tell the story. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving.